I'm going to be turning this up and down. Turn it down.
Good from every angle, so that's what I'm trying to get.
No, I just wanted to close the laundry door. But yeah, Rebecca's making us lunch today.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
It's supper.
supper. Bex is prepping for supper.
Just one dish.
She's literally throwing away all the nutrients of the sweet potato.
What?
Listen here, don't talk rubbish.
The skin.
She's going to steam it.
Dad, all the nutrients lie underneath the skin.
Think about what you said. All the nutrients lie underneath.
In the skin.
Underneath the skin.
And in. See you guys now. Come down, let's go say hello to the animals. Come. You wanna go for a walk? All the animals are just enjoying the sunshine today. Hello ladies! Rhode Island red hens, and we've had them for almost a year now. They're pretty hardy hens as well. Please take these eggs because my boots are dirty.
Lights gone now, but have no fear. You're closer now, the stars appear. We climb so high.
Oh, you're gonna eat it. I'm scared of a chicken, dude. You just have to get to his level and you'll scratch your eyes out. Looks a bit like an avocado tree, but these are loquats. They're sort of loquats, eh?
Loquats.
Oh, loquats. Loquats, yeah, they're like a sour, tarty fruit. They're really delicious. All these trees behind here, this is an orchard of pomegranates. They only produce pomegranates in about March, April. Some old pomegranates still hanging in the trees. Can't see so well, but it's actually a pretty big orchard. The farm borders a river, and these are the nasturtiums. The flowers are starting to come out. I told you guys a while back you can eat those flowers. You just put them in your salads, they're very healthy.
These are all plum trees. They are called
Madeira or something.
yeah, like it's got a special name.
Spanish plums or something.
No, I can't remember. They're quite small. They're almost like prune kind
Oh,
of
yeah,
plums,
yeah.
and they're very sweet. There's a special name for them.
And they produce in summer.
Yeah. These are our prickly pears. We have a prickly pear patch. They're not ripe yet. I think you can also get them in summer. But you can see the fruit on the top of the cactus.
This is a first discovery for me. This patch behind me are aloes over there. We don't use them for anything, but I know that they do have a lot of medicinal uses. This is just a long strip of the vegetables that we grow, so it's our veggie patch. Artichokes, cabbages, gooseberries, spinach, cabbages. The load of soil that we got the other day. My dad wants to plant new veggies for the coming season. But that's our little veggie strip. This is another little veggie patch closer to the house. It was originally just a little herb garden. Spinach, rocket. This is all rosemary, this little hedge. Parsley, beetroots, oregano, leeks. Those over there are pawpaws. kale. This is the main house. Just a few meters away is Sarah and Lee's house. My elder sister and brother-in-law. They live in this house. This is the olive orchard. There's a sweet little chapel on the farm as well. Matthew had his baptism there. It's very cute inside, it's very quaint, but I think it's locked at the moment. Then another few meters away is Sebastian and Melissa's place. The rest of the farm up there is all under vineyards, grapes. They're harvested and used for making wine. This is the lemon orchard, and there are two of these on the farm, two very big lemon orchards, like tons of lemons. They're ready to be harvested. More vineyards. That little path there goes up to a dam. We like fishing there in the summer. It's a very cool dam. Those are all vineyards. Oh my soul, this is quite deep. Oh dear. My battery died, guys, so I'm just going to tell you that the majority of the land is under pomegranates, vineyards, grapes for wine, olives, plums and lemons. So obviously just a few other things like our own vegetable patch, fruit trees like guava, we've got gooseberries, plum tree, it's like a different sort of plum, just all sorts of different things. I must say it's amazing to live this sort of lifestyle. I believe we are very blessed. What's going on here? For Sebast.
Position they're going to be up against quality players.
Well, we all saw how important
I'm so glad you're looking after yourself.
playoff game good for the
Noodles! Boys are watching rugby. And there's a wonderful fire going. Yeah! Oh, and Bex is watching too. Bye, guys! Yay. I'm going out to church. Sky is looking really dramatic this evening. I go to bed in the early hours of the morning, so I have to go to evening mass, Saturday evening mass, and then the rest of my family go to Sunday morning mass. Clouds are very pink this evening. I have returned. How are you? Good, thanks. Have you had supper? Aww. Okay, I'm pretty hungry. Hey, Melis. How are you?
Here's a high five for Jess.
High five. Woo! Cute, man. Snap! It's so nice and warm in here.
I win again.
Thank you.
No.
You hungry, my love?
Yeah, I am. I was ready for you.
The boys have been watching rugby this afternoon. My dad's at this game actually in Cape Town. Hello, Loki. You enjoying the warm fire? Hello, dancer. High five. High five. Woo! My dad's ossobuco, sam and beans, vegetarian sausages, spinach, butternut, sweet potato. The last of the fire. And we just finished watching some TV and everyone's heading to bed. Thank you guys for watching. What are you up to?
My stupid drawers, my clothes are broken.
Good night, babe.
Just by the way, the next call is only 14th August. Where's the spoon?
Good night, Emma.
Where's the spoon, Emma? Seriously, I was looking for this other day, but seriously. Don't sleep in it, please. It's literally my nicest jersey.